So Claude can automate your entire SEO pipeline. It can do keyword research, write optimized content, push content to your website, and even get you backlinks. If you're struggling to convert the people that you are already targeting, or if you're having some rankings but you're not converting, it's because you're targeting the wrong type of keywords. You're going to be using a skill. Just come in skill and I'll send it over. And by the end of this video, you're going to learn how to install the skill, set up your project, connect your website, get your API keys. Then you're going to run keyword research to find properly optimized keywords that are properly targeted, good search volume, low keyword competition, and targeting high buying intent keywords. Then you're going to learn how to use Claude Code to write your content and how that content is supposed to be optimized. And finally, how that skill can help you get backlinks. Let's get to it. My name is Borja. I'm the founder of Distribb, where we help people get customers from Google and AI on autopilot. And this is the entire pipeline that we run for all of our customers, like this one right here, that got close to 2,000 mentions on ChatGPT, 45,000 clicks on organic traffic, which is worth $16,000, which means if you were to pay Google Ads, try to target that amount of traffic, that's the amount of money you would have to pay. So the number one thing you want to do, copy the skill, and then you're going to go to your Claude. You're going to paste it over and you say, install this skill. Then once you have the skill installed, you want to ask Claude to guide you through how to use the skill. Because one thing I've noticed is that Claude is not proactive enough explaining how skills work. It assumes that you know everything about the skill, which is not necessarily the case. So that's what I'm going to do. I want to say, explain next steps and everything this skill is capable of. Okay, now it's reading all the skill.md markdown file and it's telling me Distribb is an SEO platform where you or Claude write the articles, and Distribb provides everything else around them. And it continues to explain what we do, and then it gives us all the capabilities, and that's what we care about: keyword research, business context, internal linking, because you want to be sure that however you're writing your content, you're linking to other pages on your website contextually, because that's a key on-page SEO ranking factor. Then it explains that you have access to a backlink exchange. We'll go over in a minute. It can write articles, set up your content calendar, publish into your respective content management software: WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, Ghost, custom APIs, and a bunch more. Social repurposing, that's actually deprecated, but you may still have access through the skill. And lastly, analytics to know how you're doing. So the next steps would be to sign up if you haven't on Distribb Agentic right here. Once you go through the sign up process, you are going to submit your website. So it starts learning about your project and your website and your business. And once you sign up, you're going to go over to your settings and get your API key. And then you're going to run this command on your terminal. And once you know your Claude is connected to your Distribb account, you want to make sure that you connected your website integration. So you would go to Distribb integrations, and then you can add your integration, whether it's WordPress, Notion, Webflow, whatever that you use. Just make sure that you connect it so that your Claude code can then actually push your content to your website and edit your content in your website. Now we can ask Claude to do full keyword research to plan our entire content calendar. And once it finishes, it's going to give you a dashboard that you can run on your local browser, just like this. It's going to give you the total search volume of all the keywords that it found, the average keyword difficulty, which ones are easy wins, and the top volume for the best keywords. Then it's going to star the best opportunities for you, volume, KD, difficulty, and it explains that the score is equals to the monthly volume divided by keyword difficulty. Higher, the better, and it starts with the best opportunities. You would also be able to see it in your Distribb dashboard like this. So you can log into your Distribb and you would see everything that your Claude has done for you so far. After we finish keyword research, we want to actually get it to push it to our content calendar. And once it pushes and plans our entire calendar, you can start writing your content. And the skill already prompts your Claude to use a dedicated script that is able to do all the optimization that you need, create the images, do the entire original content research, which is key because Google penalizes content that doesn't add something new. And what the skill does is it, for every keyword that's going to write an article for, it's going to fetch the top results on Google, the top results on YouTube. It's going to compare all of that information and make sure that your article covers everything all of those resources cover, and then do additional research of its own, so that we can come up with conclusions of our own that we can add to the conversation, so to speak. And once you have all of that data, it's going to follow all of the best practices for optimizing content, following Backlinko's 200 ranking factors, which is a staple on it's a staple of the SEO industry for how to write properly optimized content. This one right here. It's going to make sure that you have all your internal linkings, that you're not linking out to any competitors, that you're not wasting any link use on your article. You can optionally have a relevant YouTube video on your channel. Remove it if you don't want it. You can edit your articles either from within Distribb or with your own Claude Code interface. It adds your frequently asked question, which is key because when AI asks types search queries to find information on your behalf, it writes them as questions all the time. So we intentionally put these frequently asked questions on our websites, not just for Google, which is a traditional best practice, but also so AI types, when AI types those questions, we're showing up. Now, after we have our content written, we want to understand how the skill is going to get us backlinks. And the way it works is as you push content from your Claude Code to your Distribb account, to the network, Distribb is going to put it on a backlink network. Okay, which means when other people in the network publish content for you, they're going to give you a link. And when you publish content, you give them a link. And this only works for relevant matching businesses. When someone writes something about SEO, we match with those people and we may get a backlink. And that way, we get contextual backlinks, which are very powerful. And in a lot of cases, we get high domain ratings. And as we stay longer on the network, we unlock higher domain ratings from other better websites. Or as our domain rating increases, we also unlock those tiers. So if you want to give it a try, go ahead and click the link in the description somewhere around the video. It has a free trial for you to check it out. You can either use it as a skill or just let Distribb handle the entire thing for you. When you sign up to the Pro plan, it includes your API key, which is all that you need in order to install your skill. Or you can sign up to the Agentic plan, which is a little bit cheaper, $40 a month, $49 a month, I think, right now. It may increase later, and that gives you full control, and you don't have to like Distribb wouldn't write the content for you. You take care of how you like content written. That's how you keep entire control of your content creation. Thank you for watching.